Hello everybody, Lord Vaporist here, looking at the IOLITE WISPR 2. Available in these colours here, I went for the nice black one. The WISPR 2 is a conductive vaporizer and has some new features based on what Oglesby and Butler learned from making the previous models. The efficient catalytic converter gives a unit a 30-second heating time. Let's have a look inside the box, shall we? Here we have your basic instruction booklet with a step-by-step guide on how to get started with your IOLITE WISPR 2. The new model heats faster into a higher temperature of 210 degrees C or 410 Fahrenheit, which is the perfect temperature for vaporization, compared to the 190 of the original WISPR. Let's have a little look inside the box, shall we? Now, the WISPR 2 is a fascinating looking vaporizer. It looks a little bit like a radio or Bluetooth speaker. The instruction manual comes in many languages, so don't let that scare you off. It's a very, very simple vaporizer, this. Like all vaporizers, the density of the vapor also depends on the strength and the speed of the draws you take. It comes with a rather neat little carry bag, and inside the carry bag we will have some tools and a grinder, and a rather neat credit card one that will fit covertly on your wallet. Now, inside the tool bag we will have some spare gauzes, some mouthpieces, and some tools for getting in and out of the mouthpiece. On the front grille you'll notice there is a fuel gauge to let you know how much gas is in the device. It says WISPR 2 on the side, and there's an exhaust point. On the top of the device there is our filling chamber and our oven. Now, I found a good way of filling the gas up on this device. I'm about to share it with you. What you need to do is use near zero impurity gas. This will make the device lifetime last a lot longer. Now, to fill the device, we put it on a little brass nipple on the bottom, and I've come up with a kind of seesaw action, which I find is the best way to fill the device. Tilt one way and back, tilt forward again, press, and back, release. Forward again, press, and back, release. I find this is the best way to fill the WISPR 2. Now, we should be able to see in the little window that we are full of fuel and ready to go. Now, I'm going to use the vacuum method to fill the chamber. You simply put the chamber into your jar of herb and use suction to fill the chamber like this. Careful to cover the bottom with your fingers so none drops out. Then simply pop the chamber full of herb into the oven of the WISPR 2. One press first, and then a second press to ignite. Blue light means it's heating, and 30 seconds later, an orange light means it's ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this review. Catch the next one soon, and please, as always, click the link at the bottom of the page. Bye bye now.